2010 NBA Awards is on September 18th at the BMCC Tribeca Performing Arts Center in New York City. This 5th edition promises to be the best ever, with performances by Two-Face, M.I., JC Jax, Laura George, Banky W, Neka LD, and many more. Hosted by Leading Lady of Maumi and 40 Man, Sketmouth. Appearances by actor Ramsey Noah, singer Steve Maya, and Kefe, rapper Wale, supermodel Oluchi, and introducing actress Seikon Sengo for the Broadway show Fela, and many more. Limited tickets are now available on sale at www.nigeriaentawards.com. For more information on the show or for media, sponsorship and advertising, contact us at 080-5373-4776 in Nigeria or 1-856-506-5700 in the US. NEA, passion for our heritage.